Good morning, welcome back to the weekly vlog. Sorry there wasn't one last week, just got, everything got a bit much, so soz, but I'm back. We're doing a weekly vlog this week. This week's going to be literally the best week. Yesterday was the end of lockdown, we could go back to shops. I went charity shopping, got this cute little sweater vestie and a leather coat of dreams, but it's upstairs, but I will show you. And today Iris is coming. Today's Tuesday. Sorry, I forgot to vlog yesterday because me and Jack went shopping and he doesn't like being in the vlog, so I just didn't vlog with him. Then we came back and had, oh my god, we had tofu katsu curry for dinner and it was delicious. Would highly recommend. I'm loving tofu at the minute. I'm just chopping up some bananas. We're having some matcha porridge and it's going to be delish. Yeah, Jack and Alfie are in the garden getting ready for Iris to come. We're going for a pub lunch. It's just going to be a great week, guys. It's going to be a great week. And I'm going back to uni this week, so that'll be fun. I think I put a few too many raisins in my porridge. But yeah, welcome to the weekly vlog. And I'll probably just see when Iris gets here, or maybe I'll show you my porridge. I'm so excited.
I've not vlogged anything since
Get it in.
but look at that. Look at that. Oh! Look at that. That is delightful. Wait, what do you have to say about the garlic bread? This is our cute little, I don't want to get people in it. We're in a little tent and Iris is here. Whee! Yum, bread time. In the why did I say we? Like as in you're involved. We've been the worst vloggers. It was not. Oh, this one, and we're in the clay section and we're gonna make clay rings, and honestly so thrilled. Look at this sexy selection of clay. Beautiful. I'm very exposed with my coat, oh that's worse, but we're gonna make clay rings and we're just living our best. I've got tools as well at home that I use for modeling icing. So, or is this good? This is like a pastels set. Do you put it in the oven? I feel like you do, don't you? Or modelling clay down there. I'm so excited to make these.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right.
Hey vlog, I was going to show you our rings, but that is just not a great angle. Look how cute. That one's boobies, but it's upside down. I love them, they're so cute. It was such a wholesome activity and the clay was actually well cheap, so I'm just going to put them in the oven and give them a little cook. Sonia's crying for food down here, but I think they take half an hour. I'm so overexposed, sorry. Good luck, babies. I hope they do okay. Okay, I need to set a timer and I'll show you when they're done. Look at that naughty little schmore. Look at that. My phone is so bad at focusing.
Yeah, but how many nights you...
Just imagine the crunch. One, and then
So it was
that'll
quite a
probably be...
famous case. Some big, hotshot lawyer from up country came and defended. There's been a cause celeb.
He's a science teacher.
Were you filming that?
And
Yeah.
he's not allowed to take
And made a,
What a messy clip, huh?
I can't remember what the legislation was there, but
Oh no, my flump is gonna fall. Ah, she's curled up like a bean. It's probably lucky I'm going back to uni tomorrow because, thank God for the tripod. I'm gonna take these out. I don't know why I turned my vlog on. Happy Wednesday. Jack went home earlier, Iris went home yesterday. It's all real sad, guys. Everyone's leaving me. No, I'm joking. I thought I'd do you a little bit of a haul of some new bits. We went shopping the other day. Yeah, it was the other day. It wasn't even yesterday. I got this cute little sweater vest. I also got it in white. But I tried to keep out all the clothes I was going to show you, but I forgot. So this in grey and in white. I found them in charity shop. I got this super cute top for only £1 in peacocks. It is long. It's just like a brown like racer back. It is long, so I might crop it. Might get the sewing machine out later. It's quite small though. So I'm hoping it will keep my boobs up and I won't massively need to wear a bra. And then la pièce de résistance. This sexy little coat. Oh, why will it not focus? It is just so sexy. Oh, I just love it. It is ridiculously huge. It's like a man's extra large. And I do look a bit crazy. But I always steal gems. So I was like, you know what? I need to get my own. And I don't have a black coat that I like. So, I know you can't really take in leather. So I'm just going to have to deal with the bigger tee. But maybe with a big hoodie and like leggings. That'll be really cute. So, this, my new baby. It was only 20 quid as well. Thanks Jack, he bought it for me. Because I ran out of money. And then I got these trousers. I was like, cute, beige, like nudie trousers. Will cop. But I need to try them on. Haven't tried them on yet. Yeah, there you go. And this is hilarious. Some of this has been eaten. This is all my Easter chocolate from Jack's dad's family. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh, you can't see. I'm just gonna move the camera. Like, it's so funny, there's so much in there. So later, oh, it's so overexposed. So later I think I'm gonna make some brownies and then like cut cream eggs in half and put them like in the top because I feel like the girls will like that. I don't actually know if Jem likes cream eggs, but she doesn't have to eat a bit of cream eggs in. But yeah, everyone loves a brownie. So I'm gonna make them later. And I made more clay rings, but they're downstairs hardening, so I'll show you when I go downstairs. Where are all the rings? Oh, it's really overexposed, but they're so cute, right? This is a heart one. This one's meant to be like boobies. A plat one, and that's like a plat one but a bigger version. This is my favorite one. Like, it's much more of a green than a teal. It's really not focusing, but it's not that light, it's like an actual green. This is meant to be a square one, but it's very small. A little tie-dye vibe. Right, this is my favorite one. I love this sort of pattern, this wiggly pattern. I just did some like nude ones. And I'm going to paint this one with cow print, I think, and then just a basic black one, but they're all a bit small, which is a bit annoying. This one's too small, but you know, I still think they're cute, and it was just a very fun activity. It was very therapeutic, so I do recommend. I got all my colours in like a pack for like £9 from the range, so I would recommend if you're looking for like a wholesome activity.
We break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up.
I'm back. Oh, you can see me. The only outfit I ever wear. I don't know why I'm doing it at that angle. I'm back, bitches. I did get here at like 2:30 and it's now like 11:30, but I was just with the girls and then we did food shop. It was actually well cute. Me and my dad drove up and then he took me shopping to get all my food, and oh, it was just really wholesome and cute. But now my room is actually a state and I don't feel very well. So I've got Sol. He's our warmie. Well, he's Helen's warmie. We just steal him. And so I've got him. I might why can I not speak? I might start slowly unpacking and watch Netflix. So I'll probably just put you on a time lapse and then see you in the morning, because I don't feel very well. I'm gonna take a Nurofen and get all comfy. I'll see you in the morning. Morning. It's not the morning, it is now Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. I said I was gonna tidy up last night. I didn't. I literally just got straight into bed, called Jack and watched Friday night dinner. This little guy's decided to peek his ugly head on my ugly head. I feel disgusting. What's the time? 3 o'clock. I've done nothing today, but I feel disgusting and lie in my bed and be depressed. So I felt just gross. I got up to start tidying my room. Sorry, that's a really bad angle. Start tidying my room, and then I didn't like the way I looked in the time lapse. I was trying to find an outfit to wear because I was gonna time lapse it. Oh my god, it was just a whole very superficial kind of thing, where I wanted to look nice but I did look gross. So I just turned it off and sat on the floor for half an hour and then just got back into bed. And then I was like, I'm gross, so I'm gonna fake tan. So I fake tanned, but it's gone so patchy. Can it get worse? No. At this point, it can't. But it looks alright on my hand. It looks very dark though. So in 3 hours, I can wash that off. It's very dark on my leg. I need to wash my leg. I need to shave my leg. Not just the one. Oh, this vlog is such a mess. Okay, but now I actually think I'm going to start tidying up. I kind of want to make a coffee. I bought some toffee syrup. This is such a bad angle. In Aldi. And so I feel like that with a coffee and some ice and some milk. Sorry, it's really shaky. Put you there. So ice, coffee, milk, and some caramel syrup in the blender. I feel like I'll be able to make one of them Frostino kind of things. So I might go and do that. That sounds banging. I'm gonna do it. I'll bring you along. Let me just search for a recipe. Guys, we just had a disaster. Sol died. If you don't know who Sol is, he's Helen's warmie, and he just died and exploded in the microwave. So we had a funeral for him, R.I.P. Sol. And now my whole room smells burning. So I got my window open, and I've got a burst of energy. I completely forgot to vlog my latte thing. It went quite well. It was good. I would recommend. I'll put the link to the recipe in the description because it was delish. My fake tan's not doing too bad. It didn't really stick to my legs, so I might have to redo my legs at some point. But it is midnight. Sorry, I just did a burp. That's really gross. It's midnight and I've got my classic burst of energy. So I'm going to tidy up, actually, finally. And yeah, I've planned my outfit for tomorrow. We're going shopping. I'm so excited. And I've just found in my suitcase a pair of my brother's pants. Accidentally packed, so that's really weird and gross. So Alfie, your pants are here. Come claim. Yeah. My sudden burst of energy. Here it is. I'm watching Megan grow up. And yeah, let's tidy this bitch and finally unpack. You are my baby, my sugar boo, we're levitating. That song has been in my head for 3 days. Finally finished tidying my room. Only took me, I was gonna say 3 days, but I literally got here yesterday. But it feels like forever. It's all clean now. You can't really, I need to do a wash and take my bin out. But other than that, it's all nice and clear. And I put my new candle there. And my other new candle there. I never light them, by the way, guys. Would just like to put that out there. They're just to look cute. I'm really in front of the sun. You probably can't hear me. We've come to a pub. It's very cute. But I just don't want to be baiting people to see me. Helen and Jem are ordering. It's very cute. Well, there wasn't a sign there. Very cute. I literally forgot about you again. That's just the theme of this vlog. This is an atrocious vlog. I'm very sorry. I need to put my bed sheets on. It's been a day and my room's already really messy again because I did so much washing. I had a really cute outfit on today, but I forgot to vlog most of it. But I had this cute bandana on. I'm feeling it. So I'm just gonna get unready. But yeah, hope you the I'll put you back up here. The shops were a bit of a letdown today and town was very busy. I really fancy a Yo Sushi though, so, and they do a student discount, so I want to go to Yo Sushi at some point. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will be back with the vids, hopefully pretty regularly now. My tan has not matched my face. Oops. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on Insta, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you next time. Bye!